everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and today I'm here to talk to you about our cut-up fryer. If you're familiar with our farm, you know that our meats are leaner than most because our chickens enjoy a happy and active life out on our farm. They spend their days outside in the sunshine, scratching for bugs and eating the foliage that we plant for them. The way the chickens are raised presents itself in the flavor and the quality of the meat, which is something that our loyal customers know very well. A cut-up fryer is a small whole chicken that has been cut into 9 pieces. Each cut-up fryer weighs between 2.5 and 4 pounds and is great for a family who wants variety. The word fryer itself doesn't mean that the chicken needs to be fried. It's really just a word that describes a smaller chicken, whereas a roaster chicken refers to a larger chicken that's typically over 5 pounds, but either of them can be roasted or fried. Let us do the carving for you. Our butcher cuts up our fryer chicken into 9 pieces, 2 breasts, 2 wings, 2 thighs, and 2 drumsticks, and 1 back. And we package all of the pieces together. There are so many cooking methods to choose from when preparing chicken, but one of my family's favorites is our honey lime cilantro chicken that is cooked on the grill. And to see this recipe, please see the link in the description box below. Keep in mind that pasture-raised chicken is lean due to the bird's active lifestyle, so be sure to keep your meat thermometer handy so you do not overcook it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.